Welcome! In this video, we'll explore different types of clothing from casual wear to formal attire. Let's dive in. T-shirt. T-shirt. A casual top for everyday wear. Jeans. Jeans. Durable pants, perfect for any occasion. Dress. Dress. A stylish outfit for special events. Suit. Suit. A formal outfit for business or events. Jacket. Jacket. A light coat for cooler weather. Skirt. Skirt. A feminine piece great for casual or formal wear. Shorts. Shorts. Comfortable for warm weather. Sweater. Sweater. A warm top for cold days. Blouse. Blouse. A dressy top for women. Coat. Coat. A heavy jacket for winter. Hoodie. Hoodie. A casual sweatshirt with a hood. Cardigan. Cardigan. A buttoned sweater perfect for layering. Tank top. Tank top. A sleeveless top for hot days. Blazer. Blazer. A smart jacket for both casual and formal wear. Tracksuit. Tracksuit. Comfortable for exercise or lounging. Overalls. Overalls. A one-piece outfit, practical and trendy. Leggings. Leggings. Tight-fitting pants often worn for sports. Pajamas. Pajamas. Cozy and comfortable for sleeping. Bathrobe. Bathrobe. A robe worn after bathing. Vest. Vest. A sleeveless garment often worn over a shirt. Scarf. Scarf. A warm accessory for cold weather. Gloves. Gloves. Keep your hands warm in winter. Hat. Hat. A headwear for sun protection or style. Belt. Belt. A useful accessory to hold up pants. Sneakers. Sneakers. Comfortable shoes for everyday wear. Boots. Boots. Sturdy footwear for cold or wet weather. Sandals. Sandals. Open shoes great for warm weather. Socks. Socks. Worn on feet for comfort and warmth. Tie. Tie. A formal accessory worn with suits. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Protects your eyes from the sun. Thank you for watching this video. Support us with a like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.